Emphasize lang natin sa mga natin sa showbiz to save
For the future. Yeah, alam naman po natin na showbiz hindi pang habang buhay. So it's important for us to save for the future. And what better way to do that than to, of course, invest in the right policy provider. So I'm not gonna brag about it. I've been an endorser, an agent of Sun Life. Then ang sarap yung feeling mo na you're secure sa yung future mo because hindi lang isa yung policy mo but you know, habang nagkakaroon tayo ng opportunities and also an opportunity for us to save. And of course, para sa kinabukasan ng pamilya natin.
Kasi sa industry natin, parang palasak na yung story ng bilhin natin.
Opo that's why we have
ESSI
natin mangyari yun because marami ng mga artists ang hindi namin yung gano'n na yun, biglang yaman tapos biglang nawala so hindi nakapag-save. So I think actors nowadays are wiser. Actors nowadays are more practical in terms of saving up for the future. Opo, sana naman. Dapat naman. It is what is right.
DJ, follow up yung sa election naman. Ano yung endorse ko ba sa 2016?
Opo, meron tayo yan. It's crucial eh. This election is crucial para sa bayan natin and I wanna be able to use my influence para at least magamit naman natin yung tamang paraan ng pagkakampanya sa gusto natin. It will define the next 6 years, you know, of the Philippines economy-wise. It's important for us to know who we're gonna vote for. So I've been doing dinners with different politicians, so I would know kung ano yung mga plataforma nila and gusto yung kakampanya natin.
Okay, may napagpusuhan ka rin ba?
Meron naman po, pero I'm still weighing things because I would start campaigning next year na bago siguro sa tail end ng election kasi mas nagmamatter yun. Sa ngayon, hayaan muna natin silang magsabi ng mga adikay nila. Pero syempre, lalabas yan bago mag-election.
Pero mas kanino ka kumikili?
In all honesty dito, Mario, lahat sila naman merong mga magagandang adikain eh. Pero ang importante talaga yung tama. So, wala pa akong pinipili na kahit na sino. But for me, I would want to hear them out first. I don't want to use this influence that I have to campaign for the right person.
Mabuti hindi yung sarili kang paninindigan, ano? Kasi sa ABS-CBN,
there's a corporate responsibility and we're not allowed to endorse, especially pag nasa korporasyon pa. So it's a personal decision at the end of the day. So for me, I would exercise my right when it comes.
Presidential candidate?
Yes, mga presidential roles. So yun, I hear them out, I have dinners with them, and then I ask the questions I want to raise, on behalf of the people that would want to know also. And syempre, kinabukasan ng pamilya, kinabukasan ng mga bata yan, so importante talaga na tama yung mailuklok natin.
PJ,
Huwag lang corrupt kasi pagod na tayo sa mga corrupt eh. Tsaka yung may tapang, tsaka yung may paninindigan, yung kayang ipaglaban yung bansa kahit ikamatay. I mean, you know, it's just for our country anyways. That's why I guess naging big hit ang Nera Luna. It's a wake-up call for us because it's been happening for the longest time. So it's time for us to stand and really protect our rights and protect our country also.
would you be willing to accept that?
No, I won't. I never accepted any endorsement fee for anybody I endorsed even before. Parang ako, ano ko yun eh, karapatan ko yun. Like, hindi ko gagamitin yung pera para may advance ako sa politician. I would do it because I believe in the person.
Pero kung magagamit mo naman for your foundation?
Not even. I'd endorse someone na papaniwalaan ko magiging karapat-dapat sa posisyon. Pero hindi walang kasama pera, hindi naman kailangan.
DJ, ano pakiramdam mo na may nagsisisi
Siyempre dito, Mar, nakakataba rin ng puso. I mean, but at the end of the day, tao lang naman tayo lahat eh. Nakakasakit tayo, nakakasakit, nakakasaktan, nagpapatawan, nag-move on. So, yun lang naman eh. Para walang problema sa maganda na i-promote natin sa kagandahan.
Maganda na ayos
And
na.
she's happy. Sharon is very happy na nagkaayos kayo ni Casey.
Sino ba naman nangayon ng gano'n? Napakaliit ng industry natin, napakaliit ng mundo ng showbiz para magkaroon tayo ng kaaway ng iniiwasan. Yun ang iniiwasan ko sa lahat. Ayoko pumapasok ko sa trabaho with a heavy heart. So I always make sure that I'm at peace with everyone sa industriya to because di atin maiwasan makasagasa rin, makatapak ng tao. And I always make sure na kung sino man yung mga yun, ay dadasal ko, humingi ako ng tawad kasi hindi rin naman tayo perfecto. Pero yun nga, malaking ano yung kumbaga, it's a thorn off my chest pag nagkakaroon ka ng mga ganun na nagkaka-ayos kayo, nagkakabate at nagkakapatawaran, diba?
But to this day, hindi pa yata kayo nagkakasalubong sa TBS.
Hindi pa eh. Hindi
Sabi rin
pa.
niya.
Oo nga eh. There was a chance before but I had to leave because I had a flight. So one of these days, of course, wala naman kailangan ikim-kim, di ba? Okay naman lahat talaga.
Mag-backtrack lang content, PJ. Wala ka naman sinabi all throughout this time.
Mas mabuti na po yung wala ka nasasabing hindi maganda para pagsasaya mo ba?
Feeling ka ba magsamang di ka ni Casey sa isang
Yeah, wala naman akong iniiwasang katrabaho eh. I'm all for, you know, what is good or what has potential, di ba? Sa box office or sa TV. So, I can definitely work with anyone.
Do you think na pag nagkasalubong kayo, ikaw yung babate?
Christina?
Before, ni Sharon, before ba meron kayong
Oo naman, it's a courtesy. It's a courtesy. I mean, you know, respeto rin sa nakatatanda, you know, of course. Senior yun, eh. Siyempre, ba't naman makikipagtaasa ka pa ng pride yun?
Papa, may communication na ba ulit kayo ni Casey?
We had a good talk in London, pero since then, hindi pa kami I think she just got back from her vacation as well. And wala pa namang communication since then.
Papa, sa Gabi po, sabi niya kasi na kapag nagkabalikan daw kayo, okay daw sa kanya na magkabalikan kayo ni Casey.
Matatanda na naman kami para for us to make that decision. So, of course, I respect that and I appreciate that as well.
Nagkabalikan ba kayo ni Shane?
Ano nangyari dun sa flowers na binigay mo nung Star Magic Ball? Paatras na paatras si PJ.
Atrasan eh!
Ano pa nangyari?
nakikipagbalikan?
Alin?
Ay,
Nawala ako. Siya.
Then what were the
meron ka
flowers
bang
for
mga
Hindi. Inubo ko. Wala akong problema eh. Parang, you know, if it's meant, it's meant. I believe in destiny. I believe in whatever is possible. About the flowers, courtesy yun. Kasi, you know, siya naman talaga yung almost every year siya yung kadate ko sa Star Magic Ball. And 4 years na yata kami laging magkasama. So, lang, you know, it's their night. You know, ang mga ganung ball, yung mga talagang pinagbibigisan nila, para sa kanilang gabi yun. So you wanna make them feel beautiful and look beautiful. And ano lang yun, courtesy lang yun.
Papa, pinaka-pressure ka ba since 18 na si
Na,
18 na ba tama?
18 na.
Kasi di ba dati may usapan kayo na pag nag-18, pwede ka nang mag-girl.
More than the pressure, it's excitement. Excitement for both of us because now that he's an adult, then I can level with him. So we go out together. I take him with me. So mas nagkaroon ng maluwag na espasyo for us to level with each other. So I'm excited for him to have a girlfriend. I'm excited for me to be with someone. But yun nga, wala pang oras. It'll come at the perfect time with the right person.
Hindi stage father ka ba sa puso mo?
Never. I never meddled in his work. Si Eric Sonia manager niya would tell me when ask me for decisions, but I never meddled. Lalaki naman yan. And besides, I started out in this business and I made my own decisions. So you have, you know, as a guardian, you see Erickson Raimundo, and then ang Star Magic, and then he has his mom as well. So kung makikisaw-saw pa ako, di pa paano niya yung decision ng bata? Ang dami nag-decide po.
Happy ka naman sa career niya, Papa K?
Sobrang